You could do this real quickly with just the regular cross method, the swing. It would go real fast, but we're practicing the completing the square. What is the very first step on completing the square? Move the 15 over, right? Because we're trying to get something squared equals a constant, so we need the constant to be over there. So we add 15 to both sides, and that gives me this. And then step 2 says you need to find out the value for b over 2 squared. So b is negative 14. What's that divided by 2? Negative 7. And what is negative 7 squared? And which side am I adding that to? Both, right? Because whatever you do to one side, so I'm not really doing that division by 2, right? Just was telling it to you. So plus 49. So on the right, that gives me 64. And on the left, it gives me m, and then you put your b over 2 value. What did we say b over 2 was? Negative 7, right? And that's squared. And right here, I sort of want to break off for a second and tell you what is happening from this, which is a trinomial, m squared minus 14m plus 49, to this, the m minus 7 squared. It looks like stuff disappeared or went missing. But what's really happened is we've just rewritten it in a different form. For example, like think about if you were doing swing method right here. Okay, you would say what multiplies to 49 and adds to negative 14. What would you say? You'd say negative 7, negative 7. Right, and so that means m minus 7 times m minus 7, and another way of writing that is m minus 7 squared. So we haven't got rid of the 49, we haven't got rid of any terms, we've just taken this and rewritten it in this form so that we can square root both sides. Okay. And in this particular instance, this process is longer than just factoring, but there are other problems that aren't so easy to factor where you might like this process better. So it's good, it's just a tool in the toolbox for solving quadratics. So m minus 7 equals plus or minus 8. You add 7 to both sides. And how come I don't want you to give me this for an answer? There's more math you can do. There's the 7 plus 8, which is 15, and the 7 minus 8, which is negative 1. Okay? And I have updated the Google Classroom with the correct key from Friday. I also have it on the table in the back in case you want to see that.